Hello and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us today.
Today we're learning how to make phone calls in English. Phone calls can be challenging because you can't see body language, but with the right phrases, you can handle them confidently.
We'll cover answering calls, making appointments, leaving voicemails, and dealing with common problems. As always, we'll speak slowly and clearly, and we'll review all the important vocabulary at the end.
Let's get started.
Let's start with answering the phone. For personal calls, simply say hello or hi, this is Tom. For business calls, be more formal. Good morning, ABC Company. Tom speaking. How may I help you?
If you see who's calling on your mobile, you can be casual. Hi, Tom. How are you? When someone asks, is Sarah there? Respond, speaking, or yes, this is Sarah.
If they're calling for someone else who isn't available, say, I'm sorry she's not available right now. Can I take a message?
When making a call, always identify yourself first. For casual calls, say, hi, it's Sarah. For formal calls, say, good morning, this is Sarah Johnson from XYZ Company.
Then state your purpose. I'm calling about the appointment, or I'm calling to make a reservation. To speak to someone specific, say, may I speak to Dr. Smith, please?
If the person isn't available, the receptionist might say, he's in a meeting, or she's out of the office today. Would you like to leave a message?
Phone calls aren't always clear. When you can't hear properly, say, I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
You can also say, could you speak up, please? I can barely hear you. Or the line is breaking up.
If the connection is really bad, suggest, should I call you back? Or, let me try calling from a different location.
When someone speaks too fast, it's perfectly acceptable to say, could you speak a bit more slowly, please? Don't be embarrassed. Clear communication is most important.
Let's practice making an appointment. Imagine calling a doctor's office. I'll be the receptionist. Ring, ring. Hello, City Medical Center. How can I help you?
Hello? I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Certainly. What is this regarding?
I need a general checkup.
Okay, let me check availability. Would Tuesday at 2 p.m. work for you?
Actually, I'm not available on Tuesday. Do you have anything on Wednesday?
Yes, I have Wednesday at 10 a.m. or 3 p.m.
10 a.m. would be perfect.
Great. Can I have your name and phone number, please?
It's Sarah Johnson, and my number is 5550123.
Perfect, Ms. Johnson. You're all set for Wednesday at 10 a.m. with Dr. Smith. We'll see you then.
When you reach someone's voicemail, leave a clear, concise message. Say, hi, this is Sarah calling for Tom. It's Monday around 3 p.m. I'm calling about our Thursday meeting. Please call me back at 5550123. Thank you.
Keep it brief. Always include your name, the date and time, reason for calling, and your phone number. Repeat important information like phone numbers.
Important phone etiquette. Always identify yourself at the start of calls. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace.
Don't eat, drink, or chew gum while on the phone. Find a quiet place for important calls. Return calls within 24 hours when possible.
If you need to end a call because you're busy, be polite. I'm sorry, but I need to go now. Can I call you back later?
For wrong numbers, say, I apologize, I must have dialed incorrectly. Sorry to bother you. If someone calls you by mistake, politely say, I think you have the wrong number.
Let's review essential phone vocabulary. For answering, hello? This is Sarah speaking. How may I help you?
For making calls, this is Tom calling. I'm calling about, may I speak to
Common phrases. One moment, please. I'll put you through. Hold on. Let me transfer you.
Unavailability. He's in a meeting. She's not available. He's on another call. She's out of the office.
For problems. Could you repeat that? I can't hear you. The line is breaking up. Could you speak more slowly?
For appointments, I'd like to make an appointment. Do you have availability? What times are available?
Voicemail. I'm calling regarding. Please call me back at. Remember to speak clearly and repeat important information.
Now you know how to handle phone calls in English. Practice makes perfect. The more calls you make, the more confident you'll become.
If you're nervous about an important call, write down key phrases beforehand. That can really boost your confidence.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English conversations.
Tell us in the comments, do you find phone calls easier or harder than face-to-face conversations? We'd love to hear your experiences.
Keep practicing every day. Until next time, happy learning. Keep practicing every day. Until next time, happy learning. Talk to you soon. Before we finish, let's do one more practice. A complete business phone call from start to finish. Sarah will call me about a business proposal. This will help you see how all the phrases come together. Ready, Sarah?
Ready? Ring, ring. Uppastom. Bidai basura.
Good afternoon, Tech Solutions. Tom Anderson speaking. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, Tom. This is Sarah Chen from Marketing Plus. I'm calling regarding the proposal we sent you last week about the social media campaign.
Yes, Sarah. Thank you for calling. I've reviewed the proposal with my team. We're very interested, but we have some questions about the timeline.
Of course, I'd be happy to discuss that. When would be a good time for us to talk in detail?
Let me check my calendar. How about Thursday afternoon? Would 3 p.m. work for you?
Unfortunately, I have a client meeting at 3. Do you have any availability on Friday morning?
Friday morning works well. I'm free at 10 a.m. or 11:30 a.m.
10 a.m. would be perfect for me.
Excellent. Shall we do a video call or would you prefer to meet in person?
A video call would be more convenient if that works for you.
Perfect. I'll send you a video conference link via email later today. Should I include anyone else from my team?
Yes, if possible, could you include your marketing director? I think their input would be valuable.
Absolutely. I'll make sure David joins us. Is there anything you need from me before Friday?
If you could send me your specific questions about the timeline, that would help me prepare better.
No problem. I'll email those to you by the end of day today.
That's great, Tom. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to our meeting on Friday at 10 a.m.
Same here, Sarah. Thanks for calling. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Notice how we both identified ourselves clearly at the beginning, stated the purpose of the call, and suggested specific times for the meeting.
We also confirmed all the details, the date, time, format, and who would attend. This prevents misunderstandings later.
And we ended politely with clear next steps. I'll prepare based on Tom's questions, and Tom will send the video link. Professional and efficient.
That's exactly how business calls should go. Clear, polite, and productive. Now you have a complete example to follow.
Practice this format with a friend or study partner. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Thanks again for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing those phone calls.
Goodbye.